Welcome to the Elite Economizer channel, where we explore the fascinating world of wealth creation. Today, I'm thrilled to delve deep into the strategies and principles that can help you achieve financial prosperity. But first, let's set the record straight. We're not here to judge, criticize, or demean anyone. Our mission is to empower you with knowledge and motivation to unlock your financial potential. Money is an integral part of our lives. It's not merely a means to an end, but a tool that allows us to lead the lives we desire. Whether we like it or not, money plays a significant role in our daily existence. We invest our time, energy, and skills into our jobs or businesses to secure our financial future. So, it's only fair to say that money matters, whether we admit it openly or not. It's time to embrace your financial aspirations. We often hear people say, "I don't care much about money." But here's the truth. If you're dedicating most of your waking hours to earning money, then you do care about it. And that's okay. Instead of denying the importance of wealth, it's essential to recognize its significance in our lives. It's not about making money the sole focus, but acknowledging its role and potential to enhance our overall well-being. Each of us has unique goals and values. Some may prioritize spiritual or personal growth, while others aim for financial abundance. The key is to stay true to yourself and your goals. Don't let societal judgments dictate your values. Whether your path leads you to spiritual enlightenment or financial success, embrace it wholeheartedly. Now let's dive into the journey of wealth creation. To embark on this path, there are 3 fundamental principles to consider. 1. Create solutions. Wealth often follows those who provide valuable solutions to others' problems. Consider the issues people face daily and how you can contribute by offering innovative solutions. These solutions can manifest as products, services, or revolutionary ideas that address common challenges. 2. Connect with others. Building meaningful relationships is the cornerstone of success. Connect with like-minded individuals, mentors, or potential customers who resonate with your vision. Collaboration and support from a community can accelerate your journey to wealth. 3. Contribute to the world. Your path to wealth should also involve making a positive impact. Seek ways to contribute to society, whether through charitable acts, supporting causes you believe in, or simply sharing your knowledge and success stories to inspire others. Now, let's explore a practical formula for achieving financial milestones. The Millionaire Cash Flow Formula. Step 1. Start a business. Consider starting a business that sells products rather than services. Unlike service-based businesses that trade your time for money, product-based businesses allow for scalability and passive income. By building a business that generates revenue even when you're not actively working, you create a path to financial freedom. Step 2. Create high-value products. The key to wealth creation lies in developing products or offerings that provide substantial value to your customers. These products should not only meet their needs, but exceed their expectations. When customers perceive the value as far exceeding the cost, your offerings become irresistible. Step 3. Build a customer base. Connecting with your target audience and creating a loyal customer base is crucial. Effective marketing strategies and superior customer relationship management are vital in this phase. Building trust and providing exceptional customer experiences will help you retain and expand your customer base. Step 4. Scaling up. As your customer base grows, scaling your business becomes possible. This involves replicating your successful model, expanding your product line, or venturing into new markets. Scaling up allows you to increase your revenue exponentially, moving you closer to your financial goals. One of the most critical aspects of this formula is the power of thinking. Thinking is the hardest work most people never do. Many individuals work tirelessly to maintain a state of physical diligence so they can preserve their mental laziness. They continue to work hard at what's not working, avoiding the critical process of thinking about what could work if they took the time to explore and innovate. Thinking creatively is the linchpin of any successful wealth-building strategy. It involves breaking free from conventional patterns and envisioning new possibilities. Creativity isn't reserved for artists or inventors. It's a skill that can be cultivated by anyone. Think about the following. What problems or inconveniences do people face in their daily lives? How can you offer unique solutions or improvements? What products or services can you create that add exceptional value? Are there existing trends or emerging markets you can tap into? By unleashing your creative potential and asking these questions, you can identify opportunities that lead to wealth creation. Building relationships is another crucial element of your journey to wealth. In today's interconnected world, networking and fostering meaningful connections can open doors to opportunities you might not have discovered on your own. Consider these strategies for effective connection building. Attend industry-related events, seminars, and conferences to meet like-minded individuals. Seek out mentors or advisors who can provide guidance based on their experience. Engage in online communities, forums, or social media groups related to your field. Collaborate with others on projects or initiatives that align with your goals. Remember, the value of connections extends beyond immediate financial gains. They can provide support, knowledge, and insights that are priceless on your path to success. While wealth creation is a personal pursuit, contributing to the world plays a significant role in achieving lasting fulfillment. It's not just about accumulating riches, it's about making a positive impact on the lives of others and leaving a meaningful legacy. Contributing can take various forms: charitable acts, donate to causes you believe in, or volunteer your time to help those less fortunate. Knowledge sharing, share your expertise and experiences to inspire and educate others. Mentorship, become a mentor or coach to guide others on their journeys to success. Supporting causes, advocate for social or environmental causes that resonate with you. When you contribute to the world, you not only make a difference, but also create a sense of purpose that goes beyond financial gain. Let's revisit the Millionaire cash flow formula and explore its exponential potential. As you apply each step, you set in motion a powerful wealth-building process. Step 1. Start a business. Launching a business is your first step toward financial independence. As your business grows, you gain more control over your financial destiny. Step 2. Create high-value products. Offering exceptional products not only attracts customers, but also generates positive, word-of-mouth referrals, expanding your reach. Step 3. Build a customer base. Building strong relationships with customers leads to repeat business, customer loyalty, and a steady income stream. Step 4. Scaling up. Scaling allows you to multiply your efforts and revenue. Whether you expand your product line or enter new markets, you create additional income streams. As you progress through these steps, you'll notice the compounding effect of your efforts. Your business becomes more efficient, your customer base continues to grow, and your income multiplies. This exponential growth can significantly accelerate your journey to wealth. Now, let's touch upon a crucial aspect of wealth creation: sustainability. Building wealth isn't just about accumulating riches, it's about maintaining and growing your financial well-being over time to ensure sustainable success. Invest wisely. Once you've built wealth, consider smart investment strategies that protect and grow your assets. Diversify. Avoid putting all your financial eggs in one basket. Diversifying your investments and income sources reduces risk. Continual learning. Stay updated with industry trends, market changes, and financial strategies to adapt and thrive. Adaptability. Be prepared to pivot and adjust your strategies when necessary. The ability to adapt is a hallmark of successful wealth builders. Now that you have a comprehensive understanding of wealth creation, it's time to put your plan into action. Remember, knowledge alone won't lead to wealth. Action is the catalyst for success. Here's your actionable plan. 1. Self-assessment. Reflect on your values, goals, and aspirations. What does wealth mean to you? What are your financial aspirations, both short-term and long-term? 2. Identify opportunities. Explore potential business ideas, products, or services that align with your skills and passions. Look for gaps in the market that you can fill with your solutions. 3. Network and connect. Start building meaningful connections within your chosen industry. Seek out mentors or advisors who can provide guidance and support. 4. Create value. Develop high-value products or services that cater to your target audience's needs. Focus on delivering exceptional quality and value. 5. Market effectively. Implement effective marketing strategies to reach your target audience and build brand awareness. 6. Customer relationship management. Nurture your customer relationships. Happy customers become loyal customers and advocates for your brand. 7. Scale up. As your business gains traction, explore opportunities for expansion. This could involve launching new products, entering new markets, or diversifying your offerings. 8. Contribute. Alongside your wealth-building journey, look for ways to make a positive impact on others. Remember that contributing to the world adds depth and meaning to your pursuit of wealth. In conclusion, the path to wealth is multifaceted and dynamic. It's about recognizing the value of money in our lives, embracing our financial aspirations, and following a proven formula for success. If you found this information valuable, I encourage you to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more wealth-building insights, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Wealth is not a zero-sum game. By creating value, connecting, and contributing, we can all move towards our goals together. Thank you for joining us at the Elite Economizer, and until next time, keep chasing your dreams and building your path to prosperity. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more in-depth discussions on wealth creation, investment strategies, and financial empowerment. Remember, it's not about the destination, it's about the journey, and together, we'll master the secrets of wealth and shape a brighter financial future for ourselves and those around us.